Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the dreaded F15 error code on your Whirlpool dishwasher, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this error means, why it happens, and how you can fix it yourself in 2025. Let's get started and get your dishwasher running smoothly again. First off, the F15 error code typically indicates a problem with the water inlet or flow in your Whirlpool dishwasher. This means your machine isn't getting the water it needs to operate properly. It's a common issue that can pop up due to various reasons, so don't panic. Most fixes are straightforward. Now, let's talk about the causes. One major culprit is a clogged water inlet valve or filter. Over time, mineral buildup, debris, or even hard water can block the flow. Another possibility is low water pressure in your home's plumbing system. If your inlet valve is faulty or worn out, that could also trigger the error. Additionally, issues with the dishwasher's float switch or a kinked water supply hose might be to blame. To diagnose this, start by checking your home's water pressure with a simple gauge. It should be at least 20 psi for your dishwasher to function. Moving on to solutions. Safety first. Always unplug your dishwasher or turn off the power at the circuit breaker before starting any repairs. Begin by inspecting and cleaning the inlet filter. Located at the bottom of your dishwasher, remove it and rinse it under running water to clear any gunk. Next, check the water supply hose for kinks or blockages and straighten it out if needed. If that doesn't work, you might need to test the inlet valve with a multimeter for continuity. If it's defective, replacing it is a relatively easy DIY job. Just grab a compatible part from Whirlpool's website or a local appliance store. If you're not comfortable with electrical tests, it's time to call in a professional to avoid any risks. Remember, regular maintenance like descaling your dishwasher every few months can prevent this error from recurring. There you have it, a quick guide to fixing the F15 error on your Whirlpool dishwasher. I hope this helps you save time and money. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.